Not literally, but you know, you get my point. So now we're heading down to our local Ford outfit to see if we can get ourselves a couple of those clips. I'll probably grab 2 or 3 of them, because I'm sure I'll have to do this again on the other side pretty soon. We'll find out then. Here we are, local Ford dealer. Sure got lots of pretty pickups I could never afford. At least right now anyway. Gotta graduate college first. Look at all them Mustangs. Mustangs everywhere. Oh, looky there, I got that little clip. There's the old one. $10 for that damn thing. Then of course I had to get me a new Ford sticker. Figure out where I'll put that one later. We're gonna take a drive around here. Take a look at these F-150s. These things are beautiful. Oh my goodness. It ain't nothing like the ass end of a Ford, huh? Man, those things are pretty. Someday I will have me a new Ford. Maybe. Well, better get back home. Okay, so we're back at the house, and this is the lock cylinder right here, and then the rod is right here, and that little plastic piece hooks onto the lock cylinder and then onto the rod, and then that's how you get the door to either lock or unlock. And can't really see it from this view, but anyway, that's the fun that we get to have with this little lock cylinder. And sometimes they're easy, but most of the time not. I also got some speakers I'm gonna put in for. So anyway,